Hello everyone, welcome to TranquilLivingJS. This is me pouring my version of a Serene Space on a piece of paper. Furniture plays a very vital role to set the tone of the space. If you put something very bulky, it is bound to suck the energy out of the room. In the ancient time, palaces were huge and so was the furniture range. But now we all have a limited space. So let's check out some sleek furniture to keep our home nice and breezy.
कौन सा दिखाओ ये वाला उठा ले
I got a few things from Ikea to add to my office room. I got a shelving unit, a mood board, and a few utility products to suit my daily needs. This metallic shelving unit is a very versatile piece. You can use it in a dull corner to spice it up, or you can put it in your balcony to hold up your plants. Even for content creators or your home offices, it can be used as a beautiful backdrop to add some character. Here, I needed it to hold my daily necessities at one place to save on time. These colored vacuum hooks stick really well on laminates as well as on tiles, and they help make use of the vertical space. Good lighting can uplift the beauty of a space by many folds. Here, I am using a LED strip so that it adds on to the lighting, which is a basic necessity for content creators and even for a proper framing for your Zoom calls. Since my office room is small, I didn't want to add those traditional chunky mood boards. I got this, which itself is a beautiful piece of art, and it comes with some clips which you can use to hang your thoughts and even your future plans. Basket, a very small thing which plays a very big role to help you keep your space clutter-free. These compact trays are another good option to hold your jewelry, watches, or even your keys. And finally, a compact watch to keep the track of time. When it comes to styling, just make sure to follow the basics of balance and functionality. Add in all the things that bring you joy and enjoy your tranquil space. Let's see how it turned out to be.
Yeah, man, I remember being so naive when life was good, weather and palm trees. Back in the day, you were.
Thanks for watching. Keep your creative side alive. And if you like mine, do give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.
Yeah, you see we in the spare crime everywhere. You're selling false hope cause you just don't care. Nah, you just don't care. Nah, you just don't care. You just don't. Still selling false hope cause you just don't care.